Hey, good afternoon. It's been a while. A lot of things have happened, but we're back. Today is Tuesday, April, what is it? April 9th. A lot of different changes in the family household right now, so I haven't been able to do anything or give any updates. But before we begin, as you can see here, I'm on funded account number 14. The funded account number 17 is gone. I can't even go back to it to see what went wrong, but I have an inkling that I was trading on my mobile phone and I didn't cancel an order. It got filled and then it ran all the way the other way and probably took out all the equity in my account. So that's what happened. We're going to be starting fresh with a brand new funded account, 50K account balance, 50K in equity. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, let's look at the higher time frame real quick. Looking at the higher time frame, it took out previous day's highs first and then dumped into previous day's lows. It filled this small fair value gap and it looks like it wants to head down lower, but before it wants to head down lower, it looks like it wants to take out this this inefficiency right here. So that's what I'm going to be kind of looking for. I'm going to be looking for price to fill in this inefficiency there. There is also a order block. Let's see, right here, that price could draw into, and there's relative equal lows. So I am actually a bit bearish at the moment. There is sell side liquidity here as well. So I'm going to be looking to take some shorts. Looking at the 15-minute chart, 15-minute chart looks like it wants to head up into this PD array. 5-minute chart showing the same thing. I'm going to be looking for shorts for the PM session. It looks like price wants to head into this mean point right here, the midpoint of this 1 hour fair value gap. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to wait for price to hit here and then see how price reacts, get confirmation to short. And my target will be this low here, but of course it's going to be 2 to 1, so sit tight. All right, y'all. I saw this inverse fair value gap right here on the 5-minute, so I entered on the 5-minute. This is going to be a 27 tick stop loss with an 80 tick gain, so that's about 2.96 risk to reward. Sorry, let me adjust this. This is a 2.34 risk to reward, so it's going to be 75 tick gain, 32 tick stop. It's a little bit over what I'm comfortable with losing by about 2 ticks, but it's okay. We'll see how this trade does. If anything, I will take 2 to 1, which is right here. So I'm going to be watching price. Alright, so the lesson in this position that I took here is that I entered it when it wasn't the most optimal time to enter. If you look down here, it's 131, and I think I entered this trade around like let's look at the executions. At 110. Normally, PM session doesn't start till now, and if I wanted to get a better price movement, then I probably should have waited till 2 o'clock. So that's something that I'm going to notate in my notes, that I entered this trade at 110 when it should have been around 130, which is here in this fair value gap after I saw that it inversed. So that probably would have been a better entry here. Okay, so I'm going to notate that in my journal just for the future. Which was here. Alright, stopped out. Actually, originally it was down here. I'm going to take 3 contracts. Picking 3 contracts up. Price broke that high. I'm gonna try my stop loss. I'm not taking a loss on this trade. Wow. Took profits there. $3.75. So this is gonna be 2 to 1, exactly. But I'm actually going to target these highs, these relative equal highs here. Alright, this position doesn't look good. Alright, stopped out. So that is a total of 2 losses. For a drawdown of 271.63. I am now just gonna wait. Alright, y'all. It is now 2:48 and price action is being very weird. I don't like the way that price is moving. And tomorrow we got core inflation rate month over month at 8:30. 8:30 is packed, and then 2 p.m. So I don't want to trade anymore. Basically today, if y'all can see this, so today we are down $271.63. All right, so today we did negative $271.63. Not sure if this is visible, but that is completely in line with today's performance summary. All right, took 3 trades. One was a $3.75 win. The other 2 were losses. Managed my risk pretty well today. Again, I'm risking $150. This is a new funded account, and we are starting over. All right, so we are down $271.63. If you haven't already, subscribe to join me on my journey to 100K by the end of this year, day trading futures. Please like the video, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow.